Hi guys, welcome back to the channel once again. As usual, I'm so excited to be here once again. It's a new year and we just hope, we pray this year is gonna be one of our best years ever. Last year a lot of things went on and this year it's just gonna be a good year. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome guys. We're glad to have you here. And if you've always been my subscriber from day one, you've been my subscriber, you're still my subscriber, thanks so much. Every year we always make lists of things we want to achieve for the year. There are some things that you really cannot avoid. There are lots of things, or there are particular things you really need to do or to set your mind on, and I'm going to list some of them. There are things I set out for myself and I also know it can help you guys, so I also decided to give that information to you guys. So the first thing I'm going to start with is know God and create time for Him. Yes, we all think of us, we that we serve God, we all think we know Him well. I think I know Him well, but if we check our minds, like we sit down and actually think about Him, think about it, we really do not know God the way we actually think we actually know God. Now, with the way things are in this country, I'm not saying this is when you go through trouble to run to God, but now we really need Him. Like we need Him much more than ever. You need to know Him, you need to trust in Him, you need to believe in Him, you need to serve Him more, you need to create time for Him. We give excuses with our work, our schedule and stuff like that, and it's not enough excuse. Yes, we are busy with our work. Yes, I am busy, but we are not too busy for God, because He's never too busy for us. Just find a way to create time for Him. Now, I'm not talking to you guys alone, I'm also speaking to myself, because I really need to create more time for Him. I really need to serve Him more. I really need to love Him more, and I would advise you guys do the same thing. Now, the second point is avoid negativity. Like, avoid negativity. Let's be far away from you. Like, as much as possible, avoid negativity. If you have negative people around you, they will surely affect you. They will surely affect your plans. They would affect 90% of the things you have in mind to do on a daily basis and throughout the year. You can't have people that do not love you, that are against you, that you would bring up good ideas and they are there to make you feel bad about it. People that talk down on you, people that raise their voices at you unnecessarily. It doesn't make sense. Avoid negative people. Avoid people that say negative things to you. Avoid saying negative things to yourself. Avoid saying negative things to people also. Always be positive. Always say positive things to yourself. Always say positive things to people. Even when you think you might not be able to achieve a particular goal, be positive. Just say to myself that yes, I am Lola and I'm a child of God and I know I can do this. And you'll be surprised the way you'll be able to achieve this. You also say to people, if someone comes to you for an advice or just talking randomly to you and the person's like, I feel I cannot do this, you just tell the person, you can do it. Believe in yourself. You can. Just that little word or that little sentence that you have actually said to this person can actually change the person's mindset and also help the person. So guys, avoid negativity. Now my third point is be grateful. Are you grateful for what God has done for you? You feel you are grateful. Have you thanked Him? What are you waiting for? Guys, be grateful. Be grateful for where you have come from. Be grateful for where you are right now. Be grateful for the people around you. Be grateful for the people that God has used to touch your life. Also be grateful for God using you to touch other people's lives. You don't necessarily need to be rich to touch other people's lives. You don't necessarily need to have money. Just by the word of your mouth and by helping, you have actually done something. You've actually touched a particular person's life. Be grateful. When somebody does something to you, say thank you. It would not hurt you. It would not remove a strand of hair from your skin. It will not make you go blind. Be grateful for the life God has given you. Just that alone. You don't even understand what God has done for you, or is still doing for you. Your life alone is a testimony. Even if you feel things are not going the way you want it to, or the way you've actually planned, you having life alone, the gift of life, is a lot of things. Like it's a very big thing. It's a major thing. Be grateful to God. Just thank Him. Just be grateful, and all other things will be added unto you. My fourth point, guys, is celebrate every step. Celebrate every gain. Celebrate every accomplishment. Yes, it is not as easy as I've just said it, but try to. So you want Mercedes Benz, the latest 2025 Mercedes Benz, and you were able to buy Camry 2007 or 2008. It is something. At least you moved from being a Mercedes Benz to a car owner. Like, no matter how little it is, no matter how tiny it is, always celebrate it. It would even boost your mind. It will boost your immune system. It will boost you. You would want to do more. You would want to achieve more. And it is also a way of being thankful and grateful to God that you were able to achieve this particular one. There is one thing in Yoruba, Enitora Benz, Lomara something, I've forgotten. But in English is the life that was able to buy this particular thing would also be able to buy this. So the life that was able to rent a house will also be able to build a mansion. Do you guys understand? So celebrate every step, every gain you achieve this year. Now, the last but not the least point is smile always. Smile. It's not going to remove anything from your body. Smile. It makes you happy for no reason. Even if there's nothing making you happy, you just smiling. Smile at people. Smile at yourself. Oh God. Oh God. Shemalondu toy. Just like that. Smile. Make yourself happy. It gives you joy. It gives you happiness. It makes people walk up to you easily. It makes people come to even help you when you're always frowning. Nobody wants to come to you. Would anybody want to talk to a frowning lady? No. But when you're smiling, it brings people to you. Guys, I hear a little here. Life is not that difficult. Take it as it comes. Make your plans and believe in God, and everything will go on well. May God help us through this pandemic. May He keep us safe. May His mercy be sufficient for us, because His mercy is actually sufficient for us. May it always be sufficient for us. Guys, before I leave here, I want to implore you guys once again, please stay safe. Just be safe. Do anything you can to be safe. Wear your face masks. It would not hurt you to wear your face masks. Always sanitize your hands. Always wash your hands. And be careful. Avoid crowded places. You really don't need to go anywhere except your office area. But avoid crowded places. If you guys love what you've seen, if you guys love this lady right here, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment down below if you have ideas or videos you want to see or what you want to see more from me, and I'll surely check it out. So guys, I'm logging out. Thank you and Happy New Year once again. Bye.